Hi there, welcome back to another video. It's a daily yoga practice which you can practice on daily basis. All you need is yourself, a yoga mat and a will to practice with me to get started with your daily schedule. First, sit upright comfortably and enclose your hands right in front of your body at the heart center. Close your eyes. Take some deep 3 to 4 rounds of breath. Focus on exhalations more. And once you feel ready, stretch your arms on the side. Look at the top or try to gently give a back bend to your neck. And then surrender right in front of your body. Stretch your hands, keeping the sit bones grounded over your yoga mat. And when you feel comfortable, sit up straight, stretch your hands while interlocking them on top of your head. Doing a side stretch to stretching towards your right, center, to your left, and then center again. Open your palms and now gradually take right hand supports and this time stretch on your right side while keeping the left hand projected towards the right side. Do the same on the left side while projecting your right hand to the extreme left side. Support will give you extra cushion to get a great stretch. Repeat on the right side. This time try to go a little deeper than the last time. Hold it for 2 to 3 breaths and come back. Do the same on the other side always, 2 to 3 breaths. And now come back to center. And now spread your both the legs right in front of your body. Give a good stretch on your hamstrings. Spread them right in front of the body together. Stretch your toes inwards and outwards. And give a good stretch on your toes. And rotate them sideways, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Three to 5 rounds should be enough. And spread them again. Make a feast and try to touch or go as far as possible to your both the toes. While you take the big leaps through your hands via both the feet, remember to keep your sit bones grounded. This is called as Chakki Sanchalanasana. Keep your toes flexed, pointed towards you throughout the practice. Try to do from both the sides, clockwise as well as anti-clockwise. And now sit up straight with legs together. And this time try to think like you have a rope and you're trying to hold the rope and bring it up and down while keeping the leg grounded, spine neutral, and doing that with the breath awareness. It's extremely great for your shoulder, core, legs, hamstring, hip bones. Remember to be very mindful about your sitting stance throughout the practice. Now fold your legs and try to get into a deep yogi squat, malasana. Use prop if you need to. Keep your chest open, hands at the heart for keeping the right alignment. Try to take a couple of breaths here. And now do a side stretch while keeping the stance similar. Support your other side with a hand while keeping the hand in the inner groin makes you more comfortable. Now hands under the feet and try to lift up your hips halfway. Keep your knees slightly bended over here and try to see if you can find a comfortable position over here and do some sit-ups while using your hands as the right alignment key. 3 to 5 rounds should be good enough. And try to ragdoll on both the sides while keeping a gentle bend on your knees. Remember to breathe throughout the practice. And once you feel ready, stand up tall. Try to stand still and take your hands above your body for Tadasana. Lift your heels up as far as you can and try to hold it and breathe. Leave your hands and gently bring your heels down. Here, spread your both the leg 3 to 4 feet apart for further practice, but you can warm up your legs or knees like this. Spread 3 to 4 feet for warrior sequence. You can see right leg pointed out, other one at the back. And spread your hands in warrior pose, and from there to warrior one. Keep your hands away from the ear. At the heart, drop your back knee and gently give a stretch and come back to warrior one. Bring your hand back to warrior two and close your right foot. Now bring your left foot out, hands in the air in a straight line. Now on top of the head to warrior one at the heart center. And from there, drop your right knee and go down and go to give a good stretch to your hamstring in half split. And from here, we will do some really great stretches for your hips. Get the stance right and stretch towards your left side while keeping the right knee very comfortably grounded and left foot out at a 90-degree angle. Do 5 to 10 rounds of the steep stretch. And after that, change your sides to your right while keeping the left knee grounded and right foot out. Again, practice 5 to 10 rounds. Remember to keep your spine straight and breathing absolutely in a normal rhythm. You can hold your hip or keep your hands at the back of your neck, whatever makes you more comfortable. And go as far as makes you comfortable. From here, directly get into a high lizard and then drop your knee at the back. And if you are comfortable, you can lift up your knee and back to changing your to other side lizard. Keep breathing. And now back to Chaturanga Dandasana while keeping the knees down. From here to a gentle back bend. From there to downward facing dog while walking your feet towards you. Keep a Healthy stance in between both the feet and hold it for 3 breaths. Longer exhalations. And when you feel ready, drop your knees and again back to Ashtanga Namaskara or a modified Chaturanga Dandasana to inhale to a back bend and back to downward facing dog. Keep breathing. Again, drop your knees back to Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, back bend. And this time try to go a little higher to a upward facing dog. Exhale, back to downward facing dog. So every time we modified our back bends little deeper. And when you feel ready, take support of your hands and stand up tall. From here, come to the center of your mat. Spread your feet in front of the body. Fold your right leg. Take your left hand, left elbow to align your left knee and right hand at the back. Get into a twisting pose. Breathe over here. Take right palm support, but do not give unnecessary pressure over there. Get a great twist and inhale first, look ahead, and then bring your hand and leg out. Now change your side. Use right elbow to have a support. Left hand goes at the back. Inhale and look at the back to a twisting pose. Hold it for 3 breaths. And remember to do not give unnecessary pressure on the left hand. Look ahead, bring hand down, spread your both the legs. And from here, gradually get into all your fours. Spread right hand ahead and do a great stretch for your upper body while spreading the left hand at the 90-degree. Change your side for practicing gate pose. Other side. Spreading left hand in front of the body right at the 90-degree. Keep breathing. And take a moment to bring your hips down on top of your heels. Spread your hands as far as and as grounded as possible. Make any adjustments if you need to. Spread your hands in front of the body. Use yoga props if you have to, and surrender completely and rest here. Make a conscious effort to focus on your breathing, especially exhalation, slow and longer exhalations. And make a gentle note that how your practice went today, what were the highs, and what are the things which you can improve on your tomorrow's practice. And try to feel the relaxation in your body while staying in the pose. Keep breathing. And whenever you feel ready, you can come out of the practice and sit up straight while keeping the eyes closed. You can just focus on how relaxed you are to get started with other things in your life, and say thank you to yourself for choosing to practice, and a big thank you for practicing with me. I hope you had a great time practicing with me. If you liked anything about the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And keep practicing. And like I always say, I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, bye bye.